going to show you how to add coconut oil in your hair as a treatment. Not everyone right now can afford conditioning treatments from name brands, so coconut oil is amazing. It does wonders for your hair, your skin, your face. So you can even like take the extra and put it on your skin if you want, your legs, your arms, everything. So I've already put it in my hair. I have hand-tied extensions in, so I was a little bit careful about where I put it exactly, but I have the Palermo Organic Coconut Oil. It comes looking like this, so it's hard, looks hard. It can be hard if it's really cold, but once it's like room temperature, it's much easier to work with. So you literally are gonna scoop it out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It comes in, it looks like it's like not oil, so like how would you put that in your hair? You're gonna put it in your hand, you're gonna emulsify it, and then you're just gonna start adding it into your hair. Damp hair, it's easier to make the product go a little bit more. And then and that's it. I'm going to take this and bring it up. Like I said, I have hand-tied extensions, so I'm staying away from my root area. I'm really just focusing on my ends. And then I will bring it up here a little bit more. And then all you gotta do is clip it up, take a ponytail holder, and get it out of the way so that you can let it sit for 20-30 minutes. The longer the better. I let mine sit the other day for a few hours, and then I shampooed twice. You can condition just your ends, and then that's it. You will notice it is heavy, so the first day of styling your hair, you may feel it's weighed down a little bit, but that's okay. The next day it's usually popped back up, or the next time you wash. So that's it. Enjoy.